Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the hardware flash so it can signal notifications. Open Settings, choose Accessibility, then Audio/Visual. This gets you to the LED controls. Toggle LED flash for alerts to on so the camera flash will fire for incoming alerts. Once done, decide if you also want flash on silent. That makes the flash work when the ringer is muted. Make sure your phone battery is above 10% before testing, because frequent flash uses. Next, make sure focus modes and do not disturb don't block the flash. Open Settings Focus and inspect each mode's allow notifications so alerts still reach you. Then review Settings Notifications and confirm the apps you want use either banners or alerts so the flash is triggered. Once that's set, test with a message or call while ringer is on, then again with silent mode. This verifies both the flash and your focus exceptions are configured correctly. To finish, run a real test. Ask someone to call or send a message and watch the rear LED. If the flash doesn't blink, restart your iPhone first, because a reboot clears temporary glitches. Make sure the camera lens isn't covered and battery saver isn't limiting background behavior. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or update iOS. That often resolves software conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm focus modes aren't silencing that specific app, because focus overrides the flash if notifications are blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.